Disclaimer, I am new to this, so I will be iffy and there is background noise. Please enjoy.
Hello, my name is Jacob Guy, and this is Project Hydro. This is my project for school, and this system is what I'm going to be working on. The hydroponic system is a system where we use water instead of just dirt to grow plants like lettuce, basil, and other smaller plants. So right now, we don't have this active as we are in the first stage, and that is seed planting. We've already planted the seeds, but we will be watering them today for part one. So I'll pull out the seeds. On this side, we have romaine lettuce, 10 rows of 10 seeds. And then on this side, we have basil. This green stuff is called rock wall. This is the stuff we will be using for the seed, to hold the seeds in place. And the seeds are actually covered in a clay to basically help it grow. It's supposed to imitate something. Now, the rock wall is already damp, but we gotta spray them today. Yesterday was the day we set them up. So we already have some of them that seem to be already sprouting if you take a closer look. The basil, not as much, but still cracking open. So what we do is on a daily, we're supposed to do it twice a day, but I'm only doing it once, and then somebody else will do them in the morning for me. So I'm gonna take some water, teacher approved, and we're just gonna basically spray them one to a few times over. Now this is basically to also help keep the top of the seeds moist, because the clay will absorb it all and then break apart and make more nutrients for the seeds. So we want to make sure they're definitely damp on top to imitate rain. So we got this and just spray a few times over, and you'll check the rock wall to see if there's any drier spots. And like up here, this is a little dry, so we'll hit it with one more layer, top to bottom, and that is basically it. So what we will do is, once again, we will take the lid, put it on. We chose to not clip it in place because we still want oxygen to go in, since the lid itself does not have any holes. But you can see that there's definitely buildup on the side with basil. So they're not taking in as much moisture. So we decided we're gonna leave it in a lighter, natural light place, which is over here. We'll turn it back to the sink. And this is where it will be for about the first 2 weeks of, first week or so, until we get the system set up. Then, after the system is set up, we will actually carefully tear those apart, the rock wall apart, and then when we get to this, the lettuce we will put on this side, and if we need to, put some on this side. The basil will be over here. We don't think we will need any grid pattern, but for the lettuce, since it's going to be much larger, we're going to be doing it in a pattern where it's like every other slot. One side can hold 144 cells. One thing of rock wall can do 200 cells, so there's definitely extra space, which is also good for helping us test and whatever we need to do. And once that is ready, we will also be getting this light system set up. We will actually probably be exposing those to that light within a week or so too, because we wanted to get used to this light instead of just normal natural light. This system will need definitely a lot of maintenance because we want to make sure the water levels and everything is at the wanted or requested level for optimal growth and crop output. And once that's all done, we will close this system up and you're basically done for the day, as this will actually take over the watering after we get them all in. We will still be spraying them every once in a while just to keep the top parts moist, because we need to still imitate actual normal rain. That concludes this part of Project Hydro. We will probably return again with another update in about a week.